rides along the woodlands, through the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, a lonesome hobo's call. Traveling through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball. She came down from Birmingham one cold December day. She rides along the station, you could hear all the people say, now there's the girl from Birmingham, she's long, she is tall. She came down from Birmingham on the Wabash Cannonball. Here's to Daddy Claxton, may his name forever stand, and always be remembered in the courts of Alabama. His earthly days are over, the curtains round the call. He's traveling home to victory on the Wabash Cannonball. Listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she drives along the woodlands, through the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, the lonesome hobo's call. You're traveling through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball.
Hello, Chuck. How are you?
Hey, good to see you.
Good to see you as well. What a beautiful